How to sign up to Roblox. So to sign up, all you have to do is open up your Google or your Chrome browser and then search for Roblox. And on the first search, you will have www.roblox.com. Click on that, and then it will directly take you to the sign up page, and enter your birth date and your username and then your password and your gender. And now after entering your information, click on sign up. Now it will ask us to solve a challenge so that we can verify. Now you have logged into your Roblox account, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thank you.